There I am on a lake, brand new boat. It's a Hornbeck 13-foot classic, Kevlar and cherry. Out here in 13th Lake, I think it was called, in the Adirondacks of New York. It's a long drive. I got my baby. And you know what? I really like her. So, here's the canoes. And it paddles perfectly. It's the right size for what I want to do with it, which is take it around the Everglades, some springs in Central Florida, you know, some tight places. It's super light. It's like 25 pounds. This is insane. And it's a beautiful place to take it on its maiden voyage. You're at 13th Lake. I guess it's the 13th out of more than 13, I don't know. But beautiful day. Actually partly cloudy, a little bit of rain, but opened up for me, and this beautiful view straight down here. It's great. Last night I slept in South Carolina, and today I'm in Florida in the Ocala National Forest. Beautiful oak hammock area, but it just rained. Everything's all soggy and wet, and there's mosquitoes everywhere. So hopefully I'll stay bug free tonight in my awesome Darth van and my tented awning back here. So what this is a Slumberjack Roadhouse screen tarp. Basically it is a awning for vehicles with a screen tarp attached to keep the bugs out. No net on the bottom, so hopefully there's no bugs in the ground. They also make one that's similar that has no screen for less buggy environments, but as you can see, there's a lot of room in there. And it's quite spacious. I slept with this last night and it was perfect. No bugs whatsoever got inside. Right now there's about 4 or 5 mosquitoes in there, so hopefully I'll be able to take care of those things and then also get in here. So right now, I'm at the Davenport Landing trailhead. I've never been here. This is on the northern end of Ocala National Forest, I believe, near Gainesville. And it's a canoe launch point with some camping spots. And let's go see what we got here. Obviously, got the whole thing to myself tonight. Except for maybe, you know, some bears. But doesn't look like there's much bear activity right here right now on this, because all this stuff would have been torn up to shreds if there was bears right now. So hopefully none. There's some tent spaces. Looks like some car camping spaces. Dirt road on the way in here, and you know, not really too bad. And I think this is the Ocklawaha or Ocklawahi River, which again I've never been to. Ooh. Yeah. So this is the final night of my little adventure, which originally was going to be next year. It's going to fly up north to New York, buy this canoe, and then drive home over the course of 2 weeks and play around in various parts of the water. I was going to try to do everything, but decided to do it this year since no other real vacations have happened. And I started in West Palm Beach on Thursday night at 8:30, drove up to Georgia, got past Jacksonville, Florida, slept at a rest stop, and then the next morning woke up around 4 a.m., 5:30, something like that, and then made it all the way up to Scranton, Pennsylvania, and slept at a rest stop there. Woke up that early that morning, and then made it up to Saratoga Springs. Checked out some canoe outfitters, and made it up to Hornbeck Boats in Olmstedvill, New York. Nice little setup. Handmade boats in New York. Guys have been making boats for years. And did a little test paddle and found me a 13-foot pack canoe, the classic model. And I've paddled it 1, 2, 3 times so far. It's been great. Tomorrow morning I'll be paddling this. Hopefully bright and early. Hopefully it'll be sunny and not so humid out. And then it's back to West Palm. Next time you'll see me on the boat, then we'll be somewhere in the Everglades. And I might be the furthest south owner of a Hornbeck boat. I don't know, we'll see. I'm sure someone will chime in on these videos and tell me if they're further south than me. But this is Florida. This is my back home country. The swamps and the gators. Loving every minute of it.